Hi everyone. So today we're on the road, so I'm going to see something I have never seen before, and that would be 5 meter tall waves. So I have never seen waves that big in my life, and I'm going to see that today. And I thought I would bring you along and show you that so you can see what 5 meter tall waves looks like. And so I'll check in with you when we get there. I think it's going to be quite interesting to see because I've been really impatient to see that, and yeah, I'm excited. So we're back to the car. That was a little stroll. Good thing I had my crutches. About my leg, it's a good day today. It's not too painful, so it was a perfect day to go see the waves. And those waves are due to the rest of the hurricane Ophelia that it passed far on the coast. It hit Ireland not too long ago, but this is the rest. We have the winds, all the perturbation. How do I say that? No? The rest of the mess, basically. And it wasn't as impressive as I thought it would be, because we went on a low tide, so the sea was receding and the waves weren't all that big, but it was still quite some waves. And the bigger waves were further off the coast, but we could see them, and it was quite impressive. I'm happy I saw that. I'm happy I got out of the house, and it was a fun little expedition. I'm quite happy I did that. So, we're going to head home, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!